What's up guys? It's your girl Tresey with Treseysworld. Today I have another summeristic drink just for you. We are going to be making a really delicious punch. We're going to keep it going with this Ritual Rum alternative. We're about to use this up, y'all, because this cost me it costs some money, so we trying to use it up. But we're going to be working with this today. This is what we're going to be using. Rum, but not rum. Rum without the alcohol. All right, so let me drop this intro and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so welcome back. We about to get up into this. This is gonna be a quick drink to make. We are making a punch. We got orange juice, we got lemonade, we got pineapple juice. We got our little special ingredient, which is this Mountain Dew Major Melon. Y'all gonna love me for this. And then we're gonna put a little bit of Ritual Rum alternative. Not a commercial, I'm just saying. Okay, we got some lime juice, a little bit ginger ale or ginger beer, whichever one this is. And we're gonna get into it. All of it is going in here. Now, if you have ice, you wanna put ice in here, go ahead and do it. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put some frozen cubes in here because I do not want the watered down taste, okay? So I'm gonna take some frozen cubes and put it in there just to keep it cool. But I don't want, let me move this out the way so y'all can see. I don't want the ice to take away from the drink, so that's why I'm doing it like this. We're only gonna use a half cup of this. Half cup, don't use too much. Half cup. Y'all gonna ask me, I'm just gonna tell y'all right now. Half cup, because too much and you're gonna know it, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is going to set it off. You can't have punch without having any pineapple juice. It's against the law not to have pineapple juice in your punch, okay? All right, so we're gonna put a little bit in there. Probably, definitely according to taste, but that's about how much I put in there, okay? All right, so next step. I'm gonna go ahead and put my orange juice. I'm not gonna use too much orange juice. Okay, that's about all I'm gonna use. I don't even know how much that was. A couple of ounces, 2 ounces, give or take. My lemonade. You can't have punch if you don't have lemonade. I said it. No lemonade, no punch. Okay, a little bit of that in there. Might need a little bit more. We're gonna do with that. So, pineapple juice, orange juice, lemonade has went in there. I put a little bit of lime sweetener in there, just a little hint. Just a little hint. You don't need too much. If it was open, that would be great, but it's closed. So I gotta open it and show y'all what I'm talking about. Jesus. Why they be making stuff so hard to open? Okay, we just put a splash. That's splash, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna go ahead and put in 2 ounces of the rum alternative when I open it. 2 ounces. And a little bit more. That's it. Now we about to go ahead and take this little Mountain Dew. I don't drink a lot of soda, but in this case, we're gonna make a little exception. Put that up in there. Okay. We're gonna take our top. Hopefully I didn't put too much. There you go. All right. I always make a mess when I do this. So I'm gonna do it like this so I don't have a mess on my hand, you know? But we gonna mix. More swirl. It ain't really a lot of shaking because you did put some soda in there, but just mix it around a little bit. Gonna mix it around a little bit. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. Oops. Look at that juice up. The color. Look at the color. Yep. Y'all know what's next. Grenadine. We gotta put a little bit of grenadine in there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, we're gonna put some grenadine in it, but I'm gonna put it in the cup. I'm gonna show y'all why. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour that up, pour it up, pour it up. Pour it up, pour it up. Go on ahead. All right. All right, y'all see that? Now, we're not done, y'all. We got some stuff. We gotta move all this over here because it's looking kind of busy right here. Looking kind of busy, and I get really, I don't know if it's OCD, I don't know what it is, but I get really panicky when there's too much going on. See, I remember said I'm gonna put a little ginger in it. I didn't, because I didn't need it. So I didn't use the ginger, y'all. Didn't need it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of grenadine in there. Watch this, y'all. Watch. Y'all watching? Okay, I gotta make sure y'all see this. Y'all watching? Are you watching? Watch this chemistry in action. No, just watch. Oh, whoa. We got a sunset, baby. We got the sunset, baby. Y'all see that? We got a sunset going on. We gonna call this the sunset punch. The sunset punch. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, so to go with the sunset, we just gonna take this here. We not done. No punch is complete without a cherry, y'all. Gotta put that cherry on there. Where the cherry's at? All right, y'all, here's our punch. It's called our sunset punch. Why is it called our sunset punch? Because I said so. I don't know, I made it up, but. All right, y'all, so we got it, y'all. This is it. This is our drink. I'm gonna let it have its moment so you see how pretty it is. So pretty. All right, y'all, so it looks pretty, but does it taste pretty? Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. It's time for old taste and see. Oh yeah. Girl, these flavors in here, you gotta try this. Oh my goodness. These flavors in here is everything, okay? This is the best punch I ever tasted. Ever. When I tell y'all this is good, believe me. Believe me when I tell you this right here. It's so good. It's delicious, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, this ritual is I'm just not making this up. This is not a sponsored video. This is something that I'm really using and trying. The flavors in this thing, the flavors in here, it set this punch off. Listen, y'all, try this. Send me a message, comment, whatever platform you're watching this on. Tag me in your photos, your videos, whatever it is you're doing when you make this drink. Try it. Just try it and let me know. And use this ritual. Use this ritual. I'm gonna try the tequila alternative next, but we're gonna keep this going until this gone, okay? We're gonna get our money's worth. And then I'm gonna try the whiskey alternative, gin alternative, the tequila alternative. But right now we're dealing with the rum. The rum. And rum and punch goes together. Like milk and cereal, like Beyonce and Jay-Z. Listen, guys, I'm gonna hold you up. Make this, let me know what you think. Tree hearts. This has been your soberologist, Tresey with Treseysworld. Make sure you guys go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, make you a drink along the way and be great today. Bye.